It's still firing. There's still definitely waves. I'm so tired, but we don't know when the next opportunity is going to be. Our journey through the Arctic was the surf trip that exploded into a flurry of Wild Strike missions. So grab a ticket on Eventbrite and come on down to watch us battle mid-session snow blindness, howling 40-mile-an-hour winds, and 7-degree Fahrenheit dawn patrols, all while living in the enclosed space of a small van. North of Winter by Alex Dupkin premieres tonight, November 8th at South Bay Cinemas in Babylon, New York.
But like the most exciting would have to be this entire pack of seals.
I've always found motivation in the uncommon places. The winter brings empty lineups, and those cold days really force you to reflect on why you're out there to begin with. Conditions change rapidly here, and your best forecasting tool is often your own set of eyes. In an effort to dive deeper down that rabbit hole, we're heading north of Winter.